Hey, beautiful people. Are you tired of hitting snooze one too many times, then rushing through your makeup, feeling like you need a second mortgage just to afford your favorite products? What if I told you there are genius hacks that save you time and money, making your routine faster, cheaper, and totally fabulous? Get ready to become a beauty hack pro. Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to dive into today's topic because it's all about working smarter, not harder, in your beauty routine. We're talking about amazing tips and tricks that are perfect whether you're just starting with makeup, watching your pennies, or simply want to get out the door faster, looking amazing. We're going to cover multitasking heroes, easy DIYs, clever application secrets, and even smart ways to care for your tools. These aren't just random tips. They're practical, helpful, and designed to make your life easier and your wallet happier. Stick around because you won't want to miss these. If you're ready to save time, save money, and still look absolutely stunning, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my future videos packed with helpful beauty goodness. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about the power of multi-purpose products. These are your secret weapons for a minimalist makeup bag and maximum savings. Why buy 3 products when one can do the job of 3? It's a game changer, especially for beginners or when you're traveling light. Did you know your creamy lipstick isn't just for your lips? Oh no, it's a total overachiever. Grab a lovely rosy or peachy shade, something creamy and blendable, and let's put it to work. You can dab a little bit onto the apples of your cheeks and blend it out with your fingers or a brush. It gives you a beautiful, natural flush that perfectly matches your lip color. Instant coordination. But wait, there's more. You can also use that same creamy lipstick as a cream eyeshadow. Just apply a tiny bit to your eyelids and blend it gently with your finger. It creates a soft, cohesive look that ties your whole face together effortlessly. This hack is amazing for saving space in your makeup bag. Plus, using one product for multiple steps means you're buying fewer things overall, which is fantastic for your budget. It's quick, easy, and looks so chic. Okay, coconut oil is basically a superhero in a jar. It's incredibly affordable and has so many uses beyond the kitchen. Let's explore how it can revolutionize your beauty routine. Need to remove stubborn makeup, even waterproof mascara? A little bit of coconut oil on a cotton pad melts it away like magic. It's gentle on your skin and eyes, unlike some harsh removers. It's also a fantastic natural moisturizer. You can use a tiny amount on dry patches, on your cuticles, or even as an all-over body moisturizer after a shower. Your skin will feel so soft and hydrated. And for your hair, coconut oil makes an incredible deep conditioning treatment. Warm a bit in your hands, apply it to the ends of your hair, or all over for a deep mask. Leave it for 30 minutes or longer, then shampoo and condition as usual. Hello, shiny, healthy hair. Using one natural product for makeup removal, moisturizing, and hair care is not only cost-effective, but also simplifies your routine. It's a simple, natural solution that delivers big results without breaking the bank. Don't underestimate the power of good old Vaseline. This petroleum jelly is super inexpensive and has some surprising beauty uses that can save you time and money. It's a true budget beauty staple. Of course, it's a classic lip balm, keeping your lips soft and preventing dryness. Apply a thin layer before bed for an overnight lip mask. Soft lips make lipstick application so much smoother. But you can also use a tiny dab to tame unruly eyebrows. Just swipe a little bit through your brows with your finger or a spoolie brush, and they'll stay in place all day. No need for a separate brow gel. For a subtle, dewy highlight, tap a tiny amount onto the tops of your cheekbones. It catches the light beautifully without any shimmer or glitter, giving you a fresh, healthy glow. It's perfect for a natural look. Vaseline is incredibly versatile and lasts forever. These simple hacks show you how one super affordable product can replace several others in your routine, saving you money and simplifying your steps. Sometimes the best beauty solutions are already in your pantry. Creating your own simple beauty treatments is not only fun, but also incredibly cost-effective. You know exactly what's going into them, and they work wonders. Dry, flaky lips are no fun, and they make lipstick look patchy. You don't need a fancy store-bought lip scrub. You can make an amazing one in seconds with ingredients you likely have right now. Just mix a little bit of sugar, white or brown works, with a small amount of honey or olive oil. That's it. You've created a natural, effective lip exfoliator. Gently rub the mixture onto your lips in a circular motion for about 30 seconds. This buffs away dead skin, leaving your lips smooth and soft. Rinse it off, and you're ready for perfect lipstick application. This DIY scrub is super cheap to make, uses natural ingredients, and instantly improves the look and feel of your lips. It's a quick step that makes a huge difference in your overall makeup look, especially if you love matte lipsticks. Running late and no time to wash your hair? Dry shampoo is a lifesaver, but you can make your own effective version using simple kitchen ingredients. This is a fantastic budget hack for busy mornings. For light hair, plain cornstarch works wonders. For darker hair, mix cornstarch with a little bit of unsweetened cocoa powder to match your root color. This prevents that white cast you sometimes get. Just sprinkle a small amount onto your roots where your hair looks oily. Let it sit for a minute or two to absorb the excess oil. Then, brush it through your hair, focusing on the roots to distribute the powder and remove any visible residue. This DIY dry shampoo absorbs oil, adds volume, and instantly refreshes your hair, giving you more time between washes. It's incredibly cheap compared to store-bought options and works just as well in a pinch. Don't have the exact color eyeliner you need? Or maybe you prefer a softer look? Your eyeshadow palette is your secret weapon for creating beautiful eyeliner looks. This hack uses products you already own. Grab an angled makeup brush and your favorite eyeshadow shade. For a soft look, use the shadow dry. For a more intense, precise line, dampen the brush slightly with water or setting spray before dipping it into the eyeshadow. Carefully apply the eyeshadow along your lash line using the angled brush. You can create a thin line, a thicker line, or even a soft wing. It's much more forgiving than liquid liner, making it great for beginners. Using eyeshadow as eyeliner expands the possibilities of your existing makeup collection. It's a cost-effective way to get a variety of eyeliner colors and finishes without buying extra products. Plus, it's super quick to do. Sometimes it's not about the product, but how you use it. These clever application tricks can help you achieve professional-looking results faster and more easily, saving you time and frustration. Winged eyeliner can be tricky, right? Getting that perfect flick can take ages and often results in uneven wings. Fear not, the humble spoon is here to help. This hack makes achieving symmetrical wings so much easier. Hold the handle of a spoon against the outer corner of your eye, angled upwards towards the end of your eyebrow. Use this straight edge as a guide to draw your initial line with your eyeliner. This gives you the perfect angle. Then use the curved part of the spoon to create the upper curve of your wing, connecting it back to your lash line. Fill in the outline, and voila! A crisp, clean wing every time. This simple trick provides a stable guide, making winged eyeliner less intimidating and much faster to apply. It's a brilliant way to get consistent results, even if you're new to liquid or gel liner. Want your lashes to stay curled all day? A little bit of gentle heat can make a huge difference. Just like heat helps curl hair on your head, it works wonders on your lashes. Carefully heat your eyelash curler with a hairdryer for just a few seconds. Important: always test the temperature on the back of your hand before bringing it near your eye to make sure it's not too hot. It should feel warm, not hot. Once it's safely warm, curl your lashes as you normally would. The gentle heat helps the curl set more effectively and hold its shape for much longer. Hello, wide-awake eyes. This quick extra step takes seconds but dramatically improves the longevity of your lash curl. It's a simple trick that enhances your natural lashes or preps them perfectly for mascara, saving you time on touch-ups later. Is your favorite mascara starting to get a little dry and clumpy? Don't toss it just yet. You can often bring it back to life and extend its usability with a simple household item. This saves you from buying a new tube prematurely. Grab some saline solution, like the kind used for contact lenses. Add just a few drops into the mascara tube. Close the tube tightly and gently swirl or roll it between your hands to mix the solution in. Avoid pumping the wand, as this pushes air in and dries it out faster. The saline solution rehydrates the mascara formula, making it smoother and easier to apply. It helps prevent clumping and gives you a few more weeks of use out of your tube. This hack is a fantastic money saver and reduces waste. It's a quick fix that gets you more mileage out of your mascara, which is especially great if you love a specific, perhaps pricier, formula. Your makeup tools are an investment, and taking care of them or using them smartly can save you money in the long run. These final hacks focus on getting the most out of your brushes and sponges. Beauty blenders are amazing for applying foundation and concealer, but they can be a bit pricey, and they do wear out. Here's a simple hack to get more use out of each sponge and make them last longer. Once your beauty blender starts showing signs of wear, or you just want to maximize its surface area, carefully cut it in half with clean scissors. Now you have 2 sponges. Cutting it also exposes the inner texture, which some people find even better for blending. Plus, having a fresh, clean edge is great for getting into smaller areas like under the eyes. It's like getting 2 sponges for the price of 1. This hack is super cost-effective and also helps with hygiene, as you're using a fresh surface more often. It's a simple way to extend the life of your sponges and save money over time. Okay, this isn't a hack in the traditional sense, but it's one of the most important things you can do to save money and improve your makeup application. Clean your brushes regularly. Dirty brushes harbor bacteria, hello breakouts, and don't apply makeup smoothly or evenly. They can make even expensive products look patchy. Cleaning them is easy and makes a huge difference. Use a gentle soap, like baby shampoo, or a dedicated brush cleaner and warm water. Swirl the brush in your palm or on a cleaning mat until the makeup washes out. Rinse thoroughly and reshape the bristles before letting them air dry. Regularly cleaning your brushes prevents product buildup, ensures smoother application, helps prevent skin issues, and significantly extends the life of your brushes. Clean tools mean better makeup and less need to replace brushes prematurely. It's a win-win for your skin and your wallet. Wow, we covered so many awesome hacks today. From multitasking heroes and pantry DIYs to clever application tricks and smart tool care, I hope you found some new favorites to add to your routine. These tips are all about making beauty accessible, affordable, and fun for everyone, no matter your skill level or budget. Which hack are you most excited to try first? Do you have any amazing time-saving or money-saving beauty hacks of your own? Share them in the comments below. I love hearing your tips and tricks. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends who love beauty, but also love saving time and money. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more helpful beauty guides and fun tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, you don't need to spend a fortune or hours in front of the mirror to look and feel amazing. With a few smart hacks, you can totally rock your beauty routine. Go try these out and glow up on a budget. I'll see you in my next video.